Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Shades of Made. So today we'll be designing this flyer as earlier promised. So let me give you a quick breakdown on how I got this. First of all, I created a new layer, Control N on my keyboard. I used 1080 by 1350. Click on create. So what I did was to bring in these images. These images I got it online. Let me remove this radial blur. So this is an image I got online. You can see if the radial blur is not added, you can see how the background is. So you come to your filter, blur, radial blur. So you can decide to choose whichever one you want. Let me set 42. So you can decide to choose whichever one you want. So let me Control Z. The value I use for this radial blur is, let me show you, is 47. So you can come to your, let me copy the image to a new page. Control V. Control C. Let me transform this. Okay, yeah, something like this. So what I did was to, very simple, okay, let me remove delete smart filter. Now I'll come to my filter, blur, then radial blur. I used the amount 47. Click OK to make it spin around. So what I did next was to create a kind of brush, a glowy brush. That one also is very simple. You can do that by creating a new layer here. On your keyboard, press B. Make sure your foreground color is set to white. If you want to toggle between the colors, you can just click this arrow down here to toggle to white. Just increase the brush size. Tap once, that's white. So you can decide to expand it if you want. You know, this is just giving you an idea of how I got it. You can expand this if you want. It's very simple. So V to move to. Then I got these images also online. I added gaussian blur to these images. So let me show you. Let me remove the FX. You can see, oh sorry, I'm coming. Sorry. I added filter, blur, gaussian blur to this image to make it look like this. I use this exact size, this exact amount for this image, so to make it kind of blurry at the background. I don't want it to be too sharp, just make it kind of blurry. So you can decide to add the image. So I drop all the files in the link below. So you can see these images here, these two images, that is speakers. Then also I don't want to talk about the lady images. I'll come to that lastly. So I created this also. I also added the same effect to it, filter, blur, gaussian blur. Very simple. Now let me come to the image. What I did for this image, I used a plugin called, okay, let me show you, called Nick Collection and Topaz Lab. Nick Collection and Topaz Lab. So I used Topaz Lab to brighten the image, you know, to give it kind of the clean look. You get what I'm saying? So that was what I used for this image. And if you want to get the plugin, just search on YouTube, search for Topaz Lab and Nick's Collection. You will see different sources. You can get it from there. But I got mine from one guy called Azan on YouTube. You can check his page. The video is on his page. So that's for that. So you can just walk around your image. Now for the text, I use the font. I use the font Kenyan Coffee bold. Now if you can see that, if you can see this image, this text clearly, you can see that it's like it's behind this image, giving that shadow. This is very, very simple. It's the simplest self. What you want to do is come to your FX over here. Let me show you my FX. You can see that for the first shadow, I used blend mode multiply, opacity 79, distance 46, spread 4, size 68, noise 0. For the second shadow, I used opacity 26, distance 50, spread 0, size at 100. Now, this is exactly what you should do. Now bring down this, this is divas, this is night. Bring down this night below. Let me show you an example here. If I do this, you can see like it's not showing anything at all. But what if I bring down this night behind these divas? It's showing that effect, just to give it that depth. So that was how I got this exact text. So as usual, you can decide to use any kind of font and then tracking value you want. It's very simple also. So that was exactly how I got this particular design. So please go to the link below. You will see the link to the video there. You can download. Thank you.